And that's where I'm coming. When you look at the County Government Act, the County Government Act has given the county government very specific functions and mandate at the county level, which means that it has also given a very powerful institution to the counties, which is the County Assembly. The County Assembly is elected and has the power under the Constitution to appropriate all devolved funds. Appropriate under the law, which means that
within the county government
within the county government budget, within the county government devolved functions, yes, the County Assembly can appropriate these funds as long as they make a policy and a law backing that appropriation. This is the question.
And this is a question before you continue. Something like security is a function of the national government.
Yes.
You say the county government is at liberty to appropriate any county funds. Can you go ahead and appropriate funds? That's where I'm
coming. Remember, at the same time, once a law is passed under the County Assembly that does not conflict with the function of a national government function or a national law, it becomes enforceable at the county level.
Yet there's a conflict here already.
Let me give an example. You have asked a very good question about even security. County government, remember, they have laws that they need to enforce. That means under the county assemblies, they have what is called enforcement agencies that are regulated under the county government law. That's why you have enforcement, which are security functions. Because you're enforcing the law under the county assemblies. Same case with education. You have because remember, bursaries is not just money that is expended just for the sake. This is part of social protection, because you cannot have students who are disenfranchised in a county where money can be appropriated for that purpose. And I'm going to give you an example. Take a look at day schools across the country. They form the largest number of where students across the country go.
75%.
In fact, it's 75%. When I look in Murang'a, I have 256 day schools, day secondary schools, which are in Murang'a. And around the 30% that is remaining is boarding schools. Look at university enrollments. The university enrollments, 70% of students from Murang'a come from boarding schools. Yet the 30% who goes to university come from the 256. That tells you, if we are not careful on how we support our day schools, then it means that the only people who can be able to afford to take their children to boarding schools are the ones who take their children to university.
I hear you.
And this is why education and bursaries is a social protection.
And you feel that function should be, the county government should be allowed to carry.
Any level of government shouldn't be barred from providing
if there is no provision in law. If there is no provision in law, even the NGCDF itself has had legal challenges because it's not provided for.
But also remember, before Dr. Professor answers, remember that the controller of budget who has given these instructions is the same controller of budget who passed all county government budgets. In the beginning of this financial year, he looked at the entirety of the county government budget. He saw that there was
county governments have been complaining that the funds are not enough. County governments have been complaining they do not have enough money. Health is a devolved function. None of the counties has been able to optimize their health provision. Now they are more than willing to take part in education issues.
Fred, let me tell you, first of all, I warned you earlier that when you ask somebody a question with no capacity to answer, the question is not valid. And I remain with this very position. You've tried to ask the question, they will not tell you the answer. Because the Constitution, if you